Hello everybody, welcome. This is our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin. Our company specializes in the commercial diesel parts, and today I will show you one of our hot sealing valve assembly. Let's take a look. And firstly is the outside packages, the blue VCI roast bag. Here this is the label. The label information is our Shumatt brand logo, and the product code of this valve assembly is F00VC01383. For this kind of logo, the label, packages, etc., Shumatt can support a customized service. And then I will check the inside part for you. Inside the packages better protect the valve assembly during the transportation, and we open it. One layer of oil paper to wrap it up. For this valve assembly, it's the 110 series, China made brand new, and the applicable injector number is 04451100376. If you look carefully of this valve assembly, here this is the with coating figures and the valve cap and the valve rod. Here Caitlin 3 tips share with you. First tip is clean it with the oil. The second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly up the injector body. Each product we supply with the 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of our customers, if you are not set with the quality, we can return or exchange. So much for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.